So you're curious about packet tracer and building networks. I think that's awesome. Networking is foundational and the backbone to a lot of infrastructure and tech. So let's get our hands dirty and dive deep into this super simple lab where we're going to connect two laptops using a cable, and then we're going to test connectivity like you can see right here in the background. It's pretty simple, but it does cover a lot of foundational concepts that are important to know. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a new page, because this is what you're going to see when you open up Packet Tracer, right? So first I'm going to draw our desk real quick, because I mean, if you're at work or if you're at school, you need somewhere to put down your device. So there you go, our beautiful desks right there. And let's draw a little whiteboard or something, you know, for some background. Okay, so let's go to end device here in the corner. Let's get a PC. You can get a PC or a laptop, it doesn't matter. I'm going to go with PC. Then we're going to go to the lightning bolt here, which is connections. So one thing I want to note is that Packet Tracer is a little old school. So modern NICs will auto detect if they need to adjust their transmit and receive pins. But what am I typing? So copper straight through, fast Ethernet, boom, fast Ethernet, and you can see it's red, so it's not working. If you were to try that with two modern laptops or devices today, like with just a regular Ethernet cable, the NICs can auto detect and auto adjust their transmit and receive pins accordingly, and will allow them to talk, just as if you were using a copper crossover, just like that. So we're gonna pretend that this is a modern setup here, so we're gonna go with the automatically, you know, detects and stuff. So we're gonna pretend it was a modern NIC that automatically detected. So now that the cables are green and that the PCs are connected, we're gonna go ahead and test connectivity. So let's go to config and turn on DHCP so they can get a IP address, so that, because we need an IP address so we can ping these bad boys here. So open command prompt, let's go IP config. Let's open this one up, desktop, command prompt, and we're gonna type in, okay, we're gonna say ping 169.254.60.154. You can see right there it's pinging. Boom, so 0 lost, all 4 were received. And then if you press again, watch, ping 169.254.60.154. Don't ping just yet. We're gonna go press simulation over here. Okay, so we're gonna press simulation over here, press ping, and then you can see there that the packets are being sent back and forth in real time. So let's go ahead and see what's going on over here. So we got one reply already, so one packet was sent forth. So now we got different colored packets being sent back and forth. It is a little slower because it's like in simulation mode, but yeah, it looks like it's working. We got two PCs connected and set up. So yeah, I hope you learned something. I hope we covered something, refreshed a concept for you about modern NICs and how they have the they have the Auto-MDI/MDI-X, so they can auto adjust their transmit and receive pins, which you required a copper crossover cable before in the past to do so. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, it looks like it's pinging successfully. So there you go. That wraps up this lab here. If you have any questions, please let me know. But yes, thank you so much for watching.